Hello dear students! Today I'm going to show you how you are supposed to do your gap filling exercise. Let's look at the task. Read the text. For questions 1 to 7, complete the sentences with the words from the text. Insert only one word in each gap. Use words in the forms in which they appear in the text. Example: our personal gap has a considerable influence on what we buy. The answer is taste. Our personal taste has a considerable influence on what we buy. Let's look at the text itself. There are two paragraphs where we should find words to fill the gaps. So the first sentence. Financial something limit the amount of money we can afford to spend. What can limit something? Obstacles, borders, or restrictions? We have the word restrictions. So, financial restrictions limit the amount of money we can afford to spend. It makes sense and grammatically it is correct. The second. Your family background and social surroundings have a considerable gap on what you buy. I would say there should be impact or influence. In the text, we are presented with influence, so your family background and social surroundings have a considerable influence on what you buy. The third. Gap often makes us want to buy things we don't need. What makes us buy things we don't need? Commercials, ads, adverts, or advertising in general. And we have this word in the text. Advertising often makes us want to buy things we don't need. The fourth. Our knowledge about new products is often gap. This one is difficult. But I would look for the same words in the text. New products. We have it in the second line of the second paragraph. The confusion arises from the claims made by advertising, from inadequate information about products, new materials, etc. Here we have an adjective, inadequate. I think it would match our fourth sentence. Our knowledge about new products is often inadequate. The fifth. We believe that our individuality can be gap through what we buy. Here the passive form is required. Among those presented in the text, two options are possible: expressed and enhanced. Actually, both fit here. So it could be either we believe that our individuality can be expressed through what we buy, or we believe that our individuality can be enhanced through what we buy. The sixth. Too much information about shopping results in gap. Obviously, we need a noun here. What happens when we are overwhelmed with information? Too much information. We get confused. So, too much information about shopping results in confusion. The seventh. In gap of a good purchase, we sometimes don't understand what we really need. Here we need a noun as well. In the text we have the very similar sentence. The search for the right purchase is based on etc. Probably we should put search here. In search of a good purchase, we sometimes don't understand what we really need. So, the answers are: the first, restrictions; the second, influence; the third, advertising; the fourth, inadequate; the fifth, either expressed or enhanced; the sixth, confusion; the seventh, search. The next video will be published on Monday, the 20th of November. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to do all the exercises, and goodbye.